guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to 31 days of unboxings, one unboxing per day for 31 days. Guys, today we will have another Chanel bag, another super special Chanel bag that I can't wait to show you guys. So let me show you and then we will have the chit chat video around it. So let me introduce to you this beautiful BICOLOR Mademoiselle Chanel bag. Look at it. Look at this. She is stunning. Look at the back. This is bucket, quite big, and she is 24 karat gold plated. And inside you have the same, you have like a leather lining, the same as the back, with a slip pocket and a zip pocket. And this bag is made in France. And she has a leather strap. So the strap you have to pull like this, and then you have your crossbody bag. I know that Alex from Accounting for Fashion, yeah, it's Accounting for Fashion, and I'm sure she will be watching this video, so hi girl. I know that I will screenshot her video and put here. She has had a similar design with the same strap that she sent to leather surgeon. So they changed the leather strap and they put chain strap, which I have to say that I wanted to do the same when I bought it, but now that I see the bag, I'm not sure I will do it, because I really love the fact that the bag is bicolor, like black and white, and I love that the straps are the same. And I think there is something, you know, to it. Of course, we are not used to see Chanel bags with this leather strap, but I don't know, now I'm not sure about it, you know, like to change it. Please, Alex, help me and let me know if what they did with the strap, because I don't know if it's possible to to undo this knot and keep the strap in case, I don't know, one day I change my mind and I want to have it back, like, I don't know. So yeah, I bought this bag because I think that black and white is such a signature color combination of Chanel, and I think this is such a beautiful mix. Like, it's really beautiful. I was eyeing Gucci Jackie that has the same vibe, because the bag is white with black details, and I just love it. Imagine this bag with a suit or something. It's gonna be stunning. And yeah, and that's why I bought it, because when I saw it I was like, this is the quintessence. C'est incroyable. I need it in my collection. Even if when I bought it I was like, the strap has to go, but now I don't know. But at the same time, a chain strap would be amazing. Guys, please help me. I don't know what to do. I sometimes I do really struggle with making decisions, because I'm always scared, you know, to regret, and I don't know. But anyways, I will have to send the strap for repair, because as you can see here, the leather, you know, came out a little bit, so they need to sew it again. And here I have a little, I need to repair, because a little bit of white is missing. Otherwise, the corners, etc., it's looking pretty good. And yes, I really like, you know, the back pocket, because if we do the test with my super huge iPhone Pro Max and my big case, as you can see, it fits perfectly. And this is so cool when you don't have, you know, to open your bag to take your phone, etc. So that's a good point for the bag. And of course, it's a single flap. I love it. And yes, I cannot wait to wear it. Now it's done. The unboxing is official. Guys, let me know in the comment box what you think about this bag. If you like it, if you don't, please help me decide if I should keep the strap or if I should change it, like put a chain one. But I really like, you know, the mix of black and white. But I was thinking, imagine a chain. Okay, imagine a chain strap. Maybe I do one side black and the back white. So, you know, I still have my mix, but it's a mix different. Maybe I should buy a cheap chain, you know, to do the test and see if it could work. Like, I don't know. Guys, please help me. I don't know what to do. So, thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for everything. Je vous fais des gros bisous. I see you tomorrow for a next video. And yes, thank you. It's almost the end. Bisous, bisous. Je vous embrasse. Bye.